This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting on the color page. Open it now and select the clip you'll adjust. Once the clip is active, make sure Node 1 is selected so your changes apply properly. Turn on scopes to watch saturation numerically and visually. This helps you avoid clipping or oversaturation. If no node exists, add one with Alt+S. Now you're set to change saturation without guesswork, and the scopes will validate each step as you proceed. You'll usually start with the primary's wheel's saturation control to get a balanced, global result. Nudge lift, gamma, gain saturation subtly to keep skin tones natural. Once done, use the main saturation slider for quick whole image scaling. Small moves matter. For precise corrections, open the hue versus saturation curve. Click a hue, drag down or up to desaturate or boost only that range. This is why you can fix a single color without wrecking the rest of the image. Finish by toggling the node bypass to compare before and after. This confirms improvements. Make final minor tweaks while watching scopes, then render a short test at full resolution and view on a calibrated monitor or phone to ensure consistency. If colors clip or look unnatural, reduce gain saturation, pull down global saturation slightly, or use the HDR palette to protect highlights. If problems persist, reset the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.